As you're sitting in the doctor's office, do you sit and wonder yourself, where does our modern medicine come from? Where do our modern treatments come from? And where do our modern techniques come from? Well, I'm Garrett Wolf. I'm here to inform you about the father of Western medicine, Hippocrates, and his ties to physical therapy. First, before you can know anything about his ties to physical therapy, you must know basic information about him. Hippocrates was an ancient Greek philosopher and physician that lived from 460 BC to 370 BC, making him around 90 years old at his time of death. Hippocrates has been named the father of Western medicine because of his approach to health, which is based around treating the body rather than the symptoms. The Cleveland Clinic talks about how he does this because he wanted to find the science behind it rather than just blaming it on the gods, and that there was a reason they were ill or hurt. Among his discoveries and ideas he created was the Hippocratic Oath. So second, you must understand the Hippocratic Oath. The Hippocratic Oath is a basic structure for all healthcare professions. A common disclosure in the Hippocratic Oath is the fact that it doesn't actually include the line, "First, do no harm," according to Robert Schmerling of the Harvard Health Blog. While it doesn't make the idea of no harm a top priority in the oath, it does touch on it. It's like in there in the sublines. It's most likely a result of the oath changing throughout history because according to the National Library of Health, the oath has been passed through tons of different cultures and civilizations, and they would change it and mold it to fit it because not everybody believed in the Greek gods, which is listed in the oath itself. But it all keeps the same basis. It commits the caregivers to keeping the best interest of the patients in mind, especially involving their health when assigning them their certain medicine, as the wrong medicine can really make somebody ill, and their dietary needs, as the wrong diet can cause somebody to develop new sicknesses. Now we understand how Hippocrates is important to the overall part of medicine. Now we can tie him to physical therapy. Among Hippocrates' ideas, he believed in the movement that exercise was essential to a healthy lifestyle. His holistic beliefs aligns nicely with the basics of physical therapy. According to the Supplemental Health website, it says that Hippocrates began using massage therapy, hydrotherapy, and manual therapy to treat patients with bodily issues and injuries, signifying the earliest signs of physical therapy. This foundation laid by Hippocrates supports the modern practice of physical therapy. Overall, Hippocrates' fight against the normal medicine treatments give him a little title that will last forever. When you see a physical therapist doing rehab to an injury or because of some soreness, remember that their basic principles derive from ancient Greece and Hippocrates, the Greek philosopher and physician.